First, let me welcome you. I'm in Hyderabad city. You have been like in Hyderabad for a long time, and it was nice to see and congratulate you. The your success you're enjoying. First, I want to set just what is going in your mind, like as the days are going up.
Oh, well, first time on the set when I was shooting, it was super exciting. I was so happy to be a part of this world. I've always loved period films, and which girl doesn't want to play the role of a queen, na?
Yeah.
So I was always excited, and yeah, it was pretty exciting.
So
only, I
what
would
what
say.
kind of goosebumps are going on every day? Every day you're watching, your fans. They're talking about your movie, about the role. The best compliment you're getting from your fans or from your industry.
Oh, I think the best compliment that I have seen, I've gotten quite a few messages today in the morning, so I think that's always a good sign.
One
Saying
compliment you can share it.
no, the compliment would be like when people are coming out of the theater, they're saying Nidhi Agarwal,
Yeah.
did good. So I don't think I've ever got that. Where themselves they are saying my name, without being asked. So that was very sweet. I saw so many videos like that, and I was also quite surprised. I think Panchami is a very well written character,
Yeah.
unexpected. So
I just wanted to know how you got this role. I mean, it's always, we remember it. You got a call, or you were busy with something, or you were planning to go for other shoot. How did you get this movie in your pocket?
well, actually, Krish sir called me for this role. He's the one who formulated the story and did all of the casting. So he had called me and he said that I have a role and I think you'll suit the part.
Okay.
So because it was a little bit of a character that she is a queen, she looks like a queen, but she can also look like a kind of. I actually can't reveal.
Okay.
But yeah, he thought that I looked like the other shade as well. So that's why I think the initial conversation started like that.
So, who's your favorite queen? If we talk about, you are playing a role of queen, but we always have from our childhood. We follow a queen role model. Who's yours?
I think on screen, my favorite queen would be Aishwarya Rai
Wow.
and even Anushka Shetty. I
Okay.
think she really played that role so well whenever she got to play it.
So, how you see your journey, like, starting your cinema in Bollywood, in Tollywood, and now it's Tollywood is pan India. How you see that change?
I think it's great. I mean, for me, coming into Telugu films was never a business decision. I signed my first Telugu film before my first Hindi film came out. So Telugu has always been right up there for me personally, and I'm so happy that now, it's become the number one industry.
And how come we can't talk about Pavan Kalyan Garu? Because that's the moment you were sharing, and on the sets that we really wanted to know how our interaction. And I think that is kind of memories you will always have in your heart, right?
Absolutely. I think this film is very special to me because it's literally like a 5-year-old baby, that
Yeah,
you kind of
yeah.
start off with and you have. So, very special film, and I cherish every moment that I've spent, with Sir and with the team filming this film. It's been nothing short of inspiring to work with Pawan Kalyan.
But
sir.
it was the first time you met him, like before that signing this movie, did you meet him anywhere in the party or in the shoot? Nothing. This was the first time.
Yeah. So the first time I saw him itself was on shoot in person.
Okay.
So yeah, I never met him before that.
What kind of interactions were there? And he was teaching you something, or you were asking. There was always a good coordination. So how was that? If you can share that memories.
I think it's been very easy to work with Sir. He's super focused as an actor and he's very giving as an actor. So when you have someone like that acting with you, I think you kind of feed off each other's energy. And from the scenes that I've seen, I really feel like that has happened.
But now seeing as an actor, before that, we used to admire him as actor. Now he's into politics. He's actually handling a huge responsibility of Andhra Pradesh. So how you handle it? Like when he used to come on the set, do you feel like, oh, minister is coming, or a actor is coming? He's balancing both the ways.
I think Pawan Kalyan sir has always been a phenomenon, as an actor, as everything. So he's always had that kind of an aura and that kind of a larger than life kind of being that he is. So I think that's always been there. So nothing changed. But yeah, that's always been there.
So what's your favorite shot, like that taken along, and you were nervous and you were like, oh God, this went very nicely. A beautiful shot of your movie you would like to reveal, and with the Pavan Kalyan sir.
I think there's like a scene of us speaking near a waterfall in the film on the
Okay.
swing. I thought that scene was very cute.
So one dialogue of the movie you can talk, or something that can relate to the movie.
one dialogue. Well, I don't.
Anything? A favorite song of yours?
Okay, favorite song. I think Kulagutti Nadiru is suddenly again people are loving it because they like the visuals on screen. So I love Kulagutti. I love Tara Tara, and I also love the song called Yevaradi.
Okay.
It's a very energetic song with the BGM of Pawan sir and everything of Veera. So I really like that song. I listen to that song pretty often. Gives me a good energy and vibe.
So what makes you busy nowadays after this project is over, promotions? What going to the next?
Well, I have my shoot for Raja Saab. In fact, I have that in a couple of days. So that's happening. And as usual, work is going on.
Next, actually, Goosebump movies coming up. Raja Saab, I think this year is a awesome year for you, Nidhi. I must say, Pawan Kalyan Garu movie and then Prabhas Garu. How's that sets? We have been to the sets and they were like amazing. So what is your favorite one? Are we getting this queen into a new avatar?
Well, yeah, I think you saw the teaser. So a very, very different avatar, a completely different world. Like this is a very different world. That's a very different world. It's a horror romantic comedy. So you saw me as a nun. You saw me as an angel. You saw me like,
Beautifully.
Yeah. So I think that role also is a very well written role for me. And suddenly I'm getting nice roles.
That's
I'm
good.
happy.
You're working
Yeah.
hard, yeah.
I mean, big films, yes, but even good roles in that. So I'm super happy.
Did you met Prabhas Garu? People always have a dream. So many people want to meet him. Did you met and what was interaction? Are they feeding you? Because most of the actresses who been interviewing, they said he feed very well.
Yeah, everybody.
Are you enjoying his?
Absolutely, not just actresses, everybody, like every single person who works with Prabhasa is well fed and well taken care of, very sweet, very talented, and I think he's really doing something different with this film. Different as in the last few years, and people are gonna love it.
One moment you share with Prabhas Garu, we want it from you, like a first moment you shared on the sets.
First moment I shared. Well, what was the first moment I shared? First moment I shared was on shoot only.
Like what was that? You said hello or some interaction.
First moment is always like a bit formal. You're like, "Hello, sir, nice to meet you." And yeah, that's
Any correction or anything he came up with the movie role, or you both have good interactions?
Yeah, like not a correction, but he also is a very involved actor, very giving actor. He gets into a lot of details. So I think he's also very encouraging actor. So it's been lovely to work with him.
No, I mean, we are eagerly waiting and best of luck. It's very nice to see you, Nidhi, in beautiful roles. I think next interview will be on Raja Saab. And congratulations again for your success of the movie. What do you have to say for your fans out there who's waiting to see more and more movies and about this Pawan Kalyan and yours, this movie?
Well, I've been feeling very loved, for the last couple of days. And I know they're all Pawan Kalyansa fans and they love him so much. So they're giving me a part of that love. And it feels very, very special. I can't even begin to tell you. Sometimes I'm like, why do they love me so much? It's just very, very special. It makes my heart feel full. And I really hope that I can always make them proud.
But he's complimenting you a lot on the stage. We have seen Pawan Kalyan Garu that Nidhi has done a very well job. How you take this compliment? And one of his interviews, he's saying that maybe I'm not going to do more movies. I'll be more concentrating on politics. How you take this statement?
Oh, well, first of all, I appreciate and I respect the fact, that he has been appreciating me. That is so sweet of him. Honestly, Pawan Kalyansa film does not need promotions, but still we need to do our duty. So I was doing that and I think he broke my record. The day he started promoting, he did more than that. So I think he's also very proud of the film and we're all looking forward to even better response.
But I want your perception on, like he said on one of the interviews, that he's not going to work more on the movies. He just finish it and focus on the politics because he want to do for the social society and work on the manpower. How you take this statement, and will you miss working with him?
Absolutely. Maybe we have a part 2. So let's see, because we've ended with a cliffhanger and there is of course a part 2 that we've shot for also. Little bit. But maybe that's on the cards, so you never know.
So I think sir should keep working. He should not leave movies, I think.
I mean, it's very, very difficult to do both because both are highly stressful fields of work with a lot of talking to people and a lot of perception and a lot of stress involved, basically high stress. So I don't know how he does it, but he's a pro.
Thank you so much, Nidhi, talking to us, and many, many congratulations. So it was a interesting interview with Nidhi Agrawal. For more updates, keep watching. Till then.